as you can see, I have a new tool for making videos, so I am very excited to try this out. And I just figured I would give you one more video on point slope form, just in case you are still struggling with it. This is just an optional video to help you out. So the first thing I wanted to just point out are the similarities and differences between point slope form and slope intercept form. So notice that both point slope form and slope intercept form start with y. With point slope, they also have the y1, but again, they both start with y and then pretty much the equal sign. And then they both have slope, hence they both have slope in the name of what they're called. And then they both, right after slope, they both have your x variable. Now the differences are that slope intercept has an intercept and point slope has a point. So that's really what makes them different. So, and they can be used in different ways. If you have the intercept, then you might want to use slope intercept form. And if you have a point, then maybe using point slope form would be most useful. So I'm just going to walk you through how to write an equation in point slope form. So again, I am just going to make up some random numbers. And first thing that we want to do is find our slope. So remember, we're going to use that formula of y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And we'll label our points. Let's do it in a little different color. x1, y1, because that's my first set of points. x2, y2. It's so nice to be able to write those little 2's in there. And then we're just going to take those and put them into our formula. So y2 is negative 8 minus y1 is negative 4. And x2 is 2. And x1 is 3. So then remember that some of you were asking, like, when do you add, subtract, change things into addition? So remember, when you have two negatives right next to each other, they become plus. So this would be negative 8 plus 4. And then be careful here too, because this is 2 minus 3, not 3 minus 2. So this would become 2 plus negative 3. So this would be negative 4 over negative 1, which simplifies just to 4. So we have that for our slope. Now, once you have slope, you're just going to fill in the pieces of your equation. So we would have y minus, and then I'm going to use this set of points. So y1 is negative 4, so minus negative 4. And then back to my formula equals slope, x minus, and then let's do this one. My x value is 3. And that's really it. You could simplify over here because you have those two negatives, so this really could simplify to y plus 4 equals 4x minus 3. And that's really all there is to point slope form. So go, if you haven't gotten a great grade on Khan Academy, go try it again.